Hi, Guinea and Spicy here, and we have got great news. Singapore has finally opened up for all tourism again, and since we just visited before the pandemic started, we have fresh impressions of what Singapore is like, and we'd like to share this with you. These are the conveyor belts here in Changi Airport, Singapore. They have absolutely lovely flowers here. So beautiful. Just look at this. What do you think about this airport?
I want to live here. I don't want to go to our hotel. Not just the airport, but the whole city of Singapore is a perfect example of perfect landscape and architecture design. Looks like every detail is thought through. The urban space is quite fascinating here. And this is the entrance to a car park in front of a theater. Really nice bench. How do you like Singapore?
It's so hot. Very nice. It's a lovely city. Super novel, super nice. Lots of green actually. so much green stuff here. That's incredible for a city that compact, modern actually. That's nice to see that they have a lot of greenery.
A big egg swimming in a pool, vertical gardens, and hotel behind my back. Floating eggs. Feels like Easter already. So we are eating and what can you tell us about its texture?
Well, it's quite like crushed ice with something like sugar cane, and I don't know what the green stuff is. It's very good.
And we are at Little India here in Singapore. Self-driving subway.